Some people can just ignore the lane markings or the keep clear markings, like this one.
A lot of people will take this week off anyway, but there's a lot of out of offices at the moment.
Pardon?
There's a lot of out of offices at the moment.
Oh, I guess because the kids are broken up.
Where the fuck are you going?
Yeah, you're just making it. You're not even letting the guy in. Wrong lane.
Yeah. Embarrassing.
Oh my god, totally wrong lane.
Totally fucking wrong lane.
At least let the fucking guy in. He was in the right lane. You know. Fucking decent.
I was decent. I held back.
Yeah, I know.
They're really impatient. Before these things about going in, it's going to try and go. Maybe the red card playing with them. Oh, we boxed you in, have we? Oh, sorry, have we boxed you in? Oh no. Oh no.
That's not safe. Braking distance.
You can see the traffic ahead, don't you?
Yeah.
A bit of common sense. Just need to have a bit of common sense. Be like, oh, you know what? There's quite a bit of traffic. But no, it's right up there us.
Which is making this car brake lots because he doesn't know the true braking distance. Now this car's braking. Why are you braking?
Oh, and you're going for the undertake? There we go, there's the undertake. Go on, speed up. Go on, speed up.
Yeah, speed up, red car.
Oh, red car, come on. What are they braking for now?
Yeah, go on, take up and get up.
There they go. I was waiting for that undertake. People are undertaking this red car,
yeah.
This van thing behind has gone into this lane.
Yeah, but that car would have made me go slower as well.
There we go, another undertaker. It's not even a van, it's just a car. You've now blocked me because you've had to undertake it.
So a bit of context with this one. Lane 1 turns into a slip road just after this junction. So you can see after this one it turns into a hazard sort of line marking, and lanes 2 and 3 carry on the A13. So I'm not lane hogging here because I am carrying on the A13, not for the, I think it's the A128, but essentially you can see there by the sign. However, the car approaching in lane 3 wants that A128 exit. Instead of getting into lane 1, and passing me on the left, which is perfectly fine to do. When it's going to turn into a slip road, they decide to overtake.
You're really going. Are you really? What? Look behind. Look at the amount of people are behind. Fucking stupidity. You're going to be a prick, are you? Let's see. Yes, you are going to be a prick. What a fucking prick. Shoots down the wrong lane and cuts in front. And then puts the hazards on like the person in front of me has a fucking choice.
In 3/4 of a mile, at the roundabout. At the roundabout, take the 4th exit onto A1.
Here a car decides to cut up a lorry. You can hear the lorry beeping. They were in the left lane and have cut across the lorry, which now means the lorry and the car behind them block the way. No idea what this car behind is thinking. There is a merge in turn coming up, and they decide now is the best time to try and overtake. They're not even gaining that quickly, as you can see, and there is the merge in turn arrows. So why even try that?
In 1 mile.
Oh, lovely, well done ambulance, well done. Cut across the 4 learner.
He went through the red light.
This is hard with the latest travel for Essex.
Go! You join up fucking 48, well, 40 odd miles an hour. I even created a gap for you, but you just have no intention of fucking speeding up or anything.
At the roundabout, go straight on.
That's fine, just pull on out. Don't you worry about anyone else on the road. Ay, ay, ay.
Go straight on.
Again, just don't indicate that. It's fine.
You've arrived at your destination.
When there's no parking spots, why not just park on the double yellow lines? When you see a car indicating right here, and then indicating left about here to take the next junction, why not just pull out? Watch the lorry in front. It has a random little wobble into this lane. Any idea why that would happen?